You understand me? So, let me start by saying, I don't know about y'all, but I love playing the white Jesus. White Jesus is the man. He gave us a whole PPP loan. If he was black, he wouldn't have gave us shit. I'm serious, man. Hey, this ain't a profession. I'm really an actor, but let me tell y'all like this. Which one of y'all done been in a bad relationship before? Because I have.
It's a whole bunch of them.
It's a whole bunch of us out here. I want to kick my ex-girlfriend in the gut so bad until she shit